Alright, so I did order two things. One of them got here today and one gets here tomorrow. I wanted to unbox them together, but I could not wait. I couldn't just have this sitting there waiting for the other thing tomorrow. So I just have two quick unboxing videos or whatever you want to call this. So let's do that. So here's the receipt. Oh yes. Here it is. The shift knob, well, shift boot. The knob arrives tomorrow. And I just couldn't wait. So again, you can't really see Super Saiyan 2s. They're cut off, but you know. And then that looks like Super Saiyan 3, that's the forehead. But we went ahead and got this. I am a Dragon Ball fan. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this, and then there should be a shift knob tomorrow. Guys, it's finally the next day. And my shift knob has arrived. Got the Neo Diamond, and it's the Rev. As you can see by the description of the video, today we're going to be upgrading the interior of my car. I really believe that, you know, since you spend most of your time driving your car, you need to be just as happy with the inside of it as you are with the outside of it. And believe me, the outside mods are coming, but I do want to go ahead and do this as well, because right now I'm driving it and, you know, I'm happy with the way that it looks, but it's a couple of things that are just like, you know, Subaru, I think they could have done a better job, but it's okay. You know, they did the car. I'm happy with the car itself. I'll take care of those little things. So I'm on the way now. Let's get the first thing. See you soon. Alright guys, so we've made our first stop here. We're going to pick up some plastic dip so I can paint the inside trimmings of my car. They're silver, I don't like them. So here we are. Ooh, she needs new shoes. Pisses me off. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all these trim pieces. And you'll need a couple of things for it. For the centerpiece right here, all you're really gonna need is a screwdriver. And for the other parts right here, you wanna use like some kind of trim remover, but I personally don't have that, so I'm just gonna use a flathead. And that's pretty much it for the interior. So let's go ahead and start doing that. I'm gonna show you how to do it. For this piece right here, you wanna go to, let it focus real quick. So right here, you wanna insert it right there, and then kinda like, you know, push it out. It's nothing attached to screws. For this one right here, you wanna insert this flathead right there, and then kinda push it out. And then this one right here, this one's fairly simple. None that you gotta do too crazy. For this one, you don't actually need a screwdriver, you just need your hands. So let's go ahead and start with that one. Alright, shook it pretty well. Now let's go ahead and do a test spray. And it's good. Alright. So without further ado, let's get to it. And that should do it. Alright, now while that is drying up from the last coat, let's go ahead and install this new boot. And I'm gonna have it the way that I want it.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we've got the final painted product here. It looks very, very good. Now let's go ahead and put this back together so we can get it in the car. Alright, so it's time to put these back together. Let's go ahead and put this on first. Look at this final product, guys.
Go.